This news is brought to you by Hotel CS2, where quality rules. Amid huge deployment of security forces, strict restrictions were imposed in parts of Srinagar city and parts of South and North Kashmir to prevent protests marking the death anniversary of Hizbul Mujahideen commander Burhan Wani. Reports said that forces were deployed in districts of Pulwama, Anantnag, Baramulla and in Tral, which is hometown of Burhan. Meanwhile, Hurriyat leaders were either detained or placed under house arrest to prevent their participation in the protests. In Srinagar, district administration imposes restrictions in areas falling under the jurisdiction of Ranawari, Nauhata, MR Ganj, Khanyar and Safakadal police stations in the city. Restrictions under section 144 CRPC have been imposed in Pulwama, Tral and Anantnag. Police and paramilitary force have erected barricades at all entry and exit points of the Tral town. Authorities also suspended the mobile internet services to avoid any disturbance in law and order. Kashmir Press Service, Srinagar. This news is brought to you by Hotel CS2, where quality rules. Contact Hotel CS2, Sarwar Bagh, Srinagar, Kashmir. Phone number 01942468500, 24685001. Reservation at Hotel CS2. Log on www.hotelcs2.com.